नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? Are you ready for your Hindi class? Yes. So your Kanchana ma'am is back with Hindi. Can you see so many letters? We have already learned few letters. Yes, and we have learned so many rhymes. Today your ma'am is back with one more new rhyme. You want to learn a new rhyme with ma'am? But it will be in Hindi. आज हम हिंदी में एक नया rhyme सीखेंगे. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme in Hindi. Okay, so let us start. So in this rhyme there is a Hathi Raja. What is Hathi Raja, children? Hathi Raja means elephant. Very good. So let us sing. Yes. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आप बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर। Yes, why kursi said chatter patter? Because Hathi Raja is very big and heavy. When he came to their house and sat on the chair broke. Yes, let's sing one more time. Okay. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आप बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर। Yes. So children, did you enjoy this rhyme? Why ma'am is teaching you Hindi rhyme, do you know? Yes, so that you will learn this language and you will enjoy this language. Yes, you are enjoying learning Hindi with ma'am? Yes, I know everyone is having lots of fun. Yes, so now let's quickly recap what we have learned till now, children. Yes, so what you have to do? आपको मैम के साथ हिंदी में अक्षर स्वर बोलना पड़ेगा. You have to say the Hindi letters along with ma'am. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so till now what we have learned? What is this, children? A, I, Yes, let me show you here also. A say ananas. A say aam. E say imli. E say eat. U say ullu. U say Very good. And today what we will learn? The next letter, the next swar in Hindi, that is Ri. Ri. Okay. Let me show you beautiful picture. So children, can you see this? Yes. So which letter is this? This is Ri. 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 Ri say Ritu. Ritu means season. Yes, Ritu means season. Very good. Ri say Ritu. Okay. Now, which is the next letter? Yes? You want to learn the next letter as well? Yes. After Ri, we have I. से इकतारा, ए से इकतारा. This musical instrument, it's called iktara. Yes, you can watch a video on iktara on YouTube. You can just search, ask your parents help, and you can just see. This is a musical instrument, iktara. Yes, A say iktara. Very good. Yes, and the next letter is I say anak. See, anak means, what is anak? Yes, anak means spectacle. Very good. Anak. Say anak. Okay children, so these are the new letters which we learned today. Now we will learn how to write it. Before we start how to write it, let us see here on the chart. Yes? So, what all we have learned, what all swear we have learned till now? We have learned a, I, U, Ri, A. Yes. Till now we have learned till A. Okay. Now let's see how to write these 3 letters on our 2-line notebook. Children, are you ready? Yes? So let's move on to our 2-line notebook. So children, look, ma'am is back with the 2-line and a board. And we can see beautiful pictures over here, right? Yes. So children, let's see how to write Ri, A, I on our 2-line notebook. Okay. So this is the 2 lines you have to write on 2 lines. Okay. So first what you have to do? First you have to make a sleeping line. Children, I'll do one thing. I'll change the color so that you can see. Okay. So make a sleeping line. First step, make a sleeping line. Very good. Then make a standing line. Then a slanting line from up to down and from middle to down. Okay, from up to the middle and from middle to down. Children, till here, is it clear? So first you have to make a sleeping line, then a standing line, then a slanting line from top to the middle and from middle to down. Yes? Now from here you have to make a loop. You have to make a loop like this and then a curve. So this is Ri. Yes, this is Ri. Let us write it one more time. So please follow the steps, children. It will be very easy to write. Okay. So what you have to do? Sleeping line, standing line, slanting line from top to the middle and from middle to the end. Okay. Then from here you have to make a loop like this and a curve. Here we have our letter Ri. Okay. Now children, let's see how to write A. Okay. So for A, what you have to do? First make a sleeping line. So when you are writing Hindi letters, always start with a sleeping line. Okay. So first make a sleeping line, then a small standing line. Okay. Then a small slanting line and you have to turn it little bit. Okay. Then from here you have to write the letter J. You can write the letter J. Okay. So children, I am saying this to explain you and teach you how to write the letter perfectly. Okay. So this is A. Let us see one more time. So what is the rule? First you have to draw a, yes, very good. You children are very smart, very nice. So first you have to draw sleeping line, very good. Then a small standing line, very good. Then a slanting line and a turn. Okay. Then from here we have to write the letter J. Then what do we have here? A. Okay. Now let's see how to write the letter I. Yes. For that also same rule. What? Sleeping line. Very good children. Superb. Small standing line, small slanting line and a curve. Then again same way you have to write a J. Okay. So children, if you know how to write I is very easy. If you know how to write I is very easy. Same like A you have to write, and here on the top you have to make a slanting line with a loop. Okay. Very good. Let us write it one more time. Sleeping line, small standing line, a slanting line, curve. Then we have to write J and a slanting line with a small loop on the top. Yes? It is very easy children, but you all have to enjoy the language. Yes. So I hope you all are having lots of fun learning Hindi with ma'am. Are you all enjoying? Yes, I know you all are having lots of fun learning Hindi. So let's say bye-bye for now. And ma'am will see you on our next class with new swar. Okay. And today ma'am is going to say bye-bye in Hindi. You know what do we say bye-bye in Hindi? Alvida. Alvida. फिर मिलेंगे. Bye-bye.